I did a software update on my camera and there's like a little fish on it now. That's weird. I'm excited because I ordered something from Cletus McFarlane. I like that when I buy stuff online and forget what it is, then I have like a surprise when it gets here. Got the Leroy t-shirt. That's actually a sick shirt. I hate black t-shirts because, I don't know, I just don't like them. Cletus sticker. The free Cletus 10 mil, that's awesome. It's tricky to place a sticker because I don't want to totally cover something up. There we go. It's looking pretty sweet. Laura gives me endless amounts of crap because I don't travel anywhere without my pillow or my blanket. And she calls my blanket a comforter, but it's a blanket.
Comforter.
So, I don't know the point of this video or if I'll ever even edit it, but 17,000 watch minutes. That's like a new highest we've ever had, and 222 subscribers, by the way. I, according to Social Blade, am a C- YouTuber. Boom! See you later, D class. I don't even know if D is a thing. Now I have to try to get this thing back into this area, which should be comical. Pretty impressive that I was able to do that. Tooting my own horn right there.